Yewra John Dramani Mahama ada se obesake Okudzeto anazo Okudzeto no abesake no ho ena se Ghana fo mabru no ano ye betia se miasake no
say Ghana fo nim sa say na no ma be ye sumu be mene ye a ka probably o man to man nisi me fire Okudzeto Ablakwa no ti Okudzeto Ablakwa Kwasea we ya o
ebusia fa me bisa mo dan ti Ghana bokodo awaye de me se Ghana me so tena na
we die ebusia impanyifo se enye obi ne kum entwe ne mom no boss yakon ina odi ne ti ekogya akirema
ene se ne fa kwa Ghana ha ejagu ni chem na so aye hyepa je na so achi sei aye hye yes odi ko bi kura to ho a ebetima toto ama na bene eye Sam Okudzeto Ablakwa honorable our foreign affairs minister ebusia concerning Jena na opoku agimanya or the private jet ene beduru Ghana as every UK okohwe anu yare baaye no amanfo kirem se duru bra e wo se Sam Okudzeto Ablakwa resign fi se o ka se appointee bi is private jet e wo Bahama memu a ono obe resign but Okudzeto abekasa abe make U-turn na U-turn make ye no kini Jonas Bonohene any tiktokers abe fire Okudzeto Ablakwa pay o me say kianeken e was wetimi resign aha Penyah block media mess was any dem obe like video no that room obe subscribe button zaba click the notification icon for latest update na be chere wa adwen dia ma me e wo comment section mess oba so no she video more for so enya bi ahwe eti aya me nwanwa say it is so early say as a NDC near mo kan opposition nyina no now no ade bi o mo condemn ye abeda wo manim as an exam for them to write and pass but unfortunately aya na o mo afeli baako eye Mahama o ka say or the code of conduct e ba ye in the code of conduct no o name wo mu say for his appointees whether ministerial and non-ministerial appointee you should eschew opulence and ostentation in that same sense no semejamfi eko bosika tuo je say oko kire dollars oko pay dollars e wa bonto so ma grade anya bie ananka eye clear evidence semejamfi has exhibited attitude of opulence and ostentation I wasn't Mahama to me e fire no ejina that code of conduct to fire but Mahama intima fire no o semejamfi e part for the money ache ada say o the money ache ebia mo say Sam Georgia or ye information and communication minister on the opposition or the disabled price ye did or say it doesn't take just a stroke of a pen to reduce data bundle prices. What I said there was a kaya 2021 Anna say obi area government official be area didn't call amnone akohwe na die no Okudzeto Ablakwa eka say yenya mra entia sad data na ekufa de tia kunya so na kenufrata ayare amed na ko hospital ama ba omi aso ayare emna da ko jeme emna ko USA akohwe na yare etiane unu aka say da bi ba o man ka etienya emra na yemfantwa sad nim.
Recommendations to the government, he asked for a policy that would ban government officials from seeking medical attention abroad.
There is the need to implement a policy of no medical treatment abroad for members of the executive, the legislature, and the judiciary with immediate effect. This
Emma Bakaya in opposition. Anytime bia Akufo ebe making movement bia no or the private jet and the call ya in less than 2 hours ye be hu Sam Okudzeto Ablakwa obeba abetirichiri mu an president Akufo wa fa private jet okono one bia e ka say the coastal Ghana say o me hu e ka na Akufo e boy with private jet and offer na Sam Okudzeto Ablakwa da bia ono kwa edika akura aba ansana Akufo the team no more ekwa at the cost aba no de be ono mehu the cost incurred on that particular private flight na jena no bokwa agimai MP NDC ba office no oyare ebusuan yare ni mu ye de no na ye de no a fly no ko UK ekwohwe yare eno ye first offense Okudzeto Ablakwa nsem kan senka yemba no o mankasa ba office o mentima aba next one on the list Okudzeto Ablakwa ka say Mahama ba office on waka ho government no bi na say NDC appointee bi ana any government official bi fly private jet ana say first class business class jetter eno ano no amamwo we no obe resign afrimu
and do the same thing.
NDC banner nipa wodi animu no kofi fasa private jet bia na wo wa ban nimu you resign.
I'll resign because what
resign.
What may resigning? Why should I stay there? May resigning because the mayor is on principle and yet personal and yet say bia me time President Akufo-Addo and as I mean President Kudebi. It's the principle. It's about protecting the public purse.
Hey, Sabra, now your education minister now. What that Olam Kusa mo abe resign.
Oh, may resign. I mean, my head, my resigning free appointments committee of Parliament.
And the appointment committee, no, say any allowance and more kwana mojeje. And I be wa baby a minimum.
Appointments committee, which is a committee.
Interestingly, General Bokwa ma ekwayale wo UK okwahwe no yare all be no. Odun kwa flight, odun kwa le team kufu.
Hey, my man. See, I'm back.
Private jet, nice one. Onunkwa fully spec.
Now I ask myself, if indeed the presidential jet has been grounded, from London to Ghana is about 6 hours. What stopped the vice president, who is now looking 20 years younger, from using a first class ticket, which is just about 100,000 Ghana cedis, or a business class ticket, which is just about 50 or 60,000 Ghana cedis, rather than chartering a flight costing the state not less than 2 million Ghana cedis? Old money, 20 billion. The government and the vice president could have saved this country about 1.9 million Ghana cedis or 19 billion old Ghana cedis. Today, here in Sprinters around Community 18 and SM Environs, almost every 12 hours they are lights out. If you go to Kumasi, almost every 8 hours they are lights out in some parts of Kumasi. We are being told that we do not have enough money to be able to, as it were, purchase fuel. We have about 3 days of quantum of fuel to be able to take care of our energy sector. And if there has been an opportunity to save this country about 1.9 million Ghana cedis from a single trip, I was expecting that by their own standards, they would have used that opportunity to save this country money. Now, when I have the opportunity in Parliament next week, I mean, Parliament is going to be reconvened next week.
Yes.
The defense minister should prepare to be hauled before the House to answer why or whether or not indeed the presidential jet has been grounded, to answer if indeed it is Akufo-Addo who grounded the presidential jet.
And I'm focus any Okudzeto Ablakwa. Ka kumbia jeni kwa kuanum. Wana wo kan say mobile office na any appointee and any government official be a air fly first class and I say private jet here. We be resign now. No, every one no. Exams do one. What are you saying? Okudzeto Ablakwa make us. I was say, oh, so no Okudzeto Ablakwa say or resign as a foreign affairs minister. It will be a great loss for Mother Ghana. And or resign enye or resign enye Ghana be Lucy na minim ade port ya Okudzeto Ablakwa resign Ghana be Lucy o minim. Seniti wo hyanhyan na Ghana be Lucy dia mintimint le. Edepa na Ghana be Lucy say Ablakwa resign Ghana be Lucy de. But that is na ekoso no ana Twene Jonas. Ajone Bonohene. Ajone TikTokers. No ma be fire Okudzeto Ablakwa pay.
Ebusia fa me bisa moda nti Ghana bokodo awaye de me se Ghana me se otena na. Ye fa ye ne ministers no won nsem serious about wo position. What casam troja yen kase won what about government man yen kase won. Okudzeto Ablakwa kwatena nhire from kitchen dey. So what ba benima any minister be oba for private jet and bu yedin be oba resign. Ya hwe ma me Jane wa kwa ba. Okwa hwe private jet or kwai. All but the same private jet, the same account now. Tell me be someone a day. Okudzeto Ablakwa to resign and happen. Honestly, foreign minister. foreign affairs minister. The mini pay the min Iranian coupon. Ghana Nagasian fan some serious. Na the mini pay be day no. Ya quite namo. Wa resign. Okudzeto Ablakwa and the ministers work some try and castle to Okudzeto Ablakwa. We too make statements often ready. Free.
Ebusuya asemaba. Umenye video.
Private jet TV. Now who are being you resign?
I'll resign. Because what
resign?
What may resigning? Why shall I stay there? May resigning because the mayor is on principle and yet personal. And yes, I be time President Akufo-Addo and as I mean President Kudebi. It's the principle. It's about protecting the public purse.
Hey, Sabrina, your education minister na oda olam kwise mo abe resign.
Oh, may resign. I mean, my head, my resigning and free appointments committee of Parliament.
And the appointment committee, no, say any allowance and more kwana mojeje, and I be baby a minimum.
Appointments committee, which is a committee.
Ebusuya, Owi Amote and Kano, Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa. MP the man of Ton Afenso no minister the man foreign affairs. Abra na oka say ewo Adom FM 2022 no say NDC aban eba power na say e president and as a vice president use private jet the two kwana say the free amano de Ghana oba resign as minister bia obede no. We die ebusuya impenyefo say enye obi ne kum entwe ne mom no boss yako e no de neti ekogya chedema etine ye ma Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa, MP for Northton, and Affairs Minister at the Foreign Affairs, 24 hours to resign as the Minister of Foreign Affairs. And yes, sir, you don't know no assemno at the Maracupiemu. Na while the ye ano, it's say, Penyah, Unfantro in Bromine. Way, as I catch the honorable Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa. Ebusuya, mon share video, then copy. Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa no among name na on resign under 24 hours. Meeting at the promise the blogger.
NDC banner nipa wodi animu no kofi fasa private jet TV. Now who are being you resign?
I'll resign. Because what
may resign?
What may resign? Why shall I stay there? May resign because the mayor is on principle and yet personal. And yes, I be time President Akufo-Addo and as I mean President Kudebi. It's the principle. It's about protecting the public purse.
Hey, Sabrina, your education minister na oda olam kwise mo abe resign.
Oh, may resign. I mean, my head, my resigning and free appointments committee of Parliament.
And the appointment committee, no, say any allowance and more kwana mojeje, and I be baby a minimum.
Appointments committee, which is a committee.
Yes, Ghana for and penny for se kakum yet no Okudzeto enum. Ghana for radio nano eyi kama no. Yes, ya chin dedua. Eti radio emo obi ntufo. Yewra John Dramani Mahama. Ada se obesaki Okudzeto. Anazo Okudzeto no abesaki no ho. Ena se Ghana for mabru no ano. Ye betia si miasaki no. We radio empenifo si wani tuemu aye ni nyawo. Ana we su de ni obi na beche nanum. Bible say na nichi Kwasea boshe. Eti yewra John Dramani Mahama. We nye ni ebetufo. Uye Kristoni ana Bible say na nichi Kwasea boshe. Enti we de Okudzeto ye wasade asana Ghana mabru ye buafu. Ana ade a wo be ye ne no eno so be me ya chese uye Kristoni a wudi uboshe so. Eti we de mu obi ntufo. Eti mese Ghana fo momfu manu ntum. Na we de Okudzeto say enya ahoye a se be ya ye hu se enya ahoye ntu. Wonye na sede na Nyankopon. Onyankopon wonte so da sani onu wasi na twetwe Nyankopon ni hu ohun papa. Eti Nyankopon e wa kwan ofa so de ye na ade. Eti Okudzeto yi me ye ntufo. Ye mpe gidigidi bia okrom ha. Ye mpe basabasa bia okrom ha. Sede ye wo kan ye no ye ne sa pepepe. Okudzeto nyansani ye ne sa pepepe. Ghana fo we de mu ye nyan firi anu ntum. Na ma Ghana penifo emfa ye emu ye sesabi. Ghana fo ye jimifo. Wonu ana no ana akoyi kama no. Yes, na no na akoyi kama no. Eti ebe se Ghana fo nya. Momfu manu ntum. Na Okudzeto se wono se wono no wa abemu. Ese obi kura current private jet cramp no obe resign. We de wono amu. Na Ghana fo man kan chen say enam aye nwe no. Ye mfa ye sinya dey. Enche. Yes, message na don say dey. boa akoma so yes fansa boa akoma so kese man ne me ya wo wi bi a price and now do say me so ayere aforo no asa atrase the wi nkofo yi si ye die 2028 that's it
poku CID one your lawyer ma Alfred Kumi Ababio Adenta Kumi I picking in there around 6 to 6:30 in the morning. One artist say you know a din komono. Ya ba say din komo ye gusu di akire asa na me ne wo ka say Alfred Kumi Ababio Adenta Kumi ewo afenyo marking honorable in the office. Mu make sure say the condition is stable or say na ne ontiapo. To mu make sure say the condition no is stable and so be kofi akoka na busua ho a wa kofi akoka na busua ho the lawyer ameye nyante ase say nyame yadom a o me report nyame yadom a Monday and charges on my press against Adenta Kumi false publication say wa publish bibia 77 previous enye nokre eye azan ene entro and part of charges no ebisa ye petitioner wode ma mampanyini John Dramani Mahama me patro hana Ghana tie ha ena ese wutie ha na obenya current issues ni nyina free sanusuma me say asase 99.5 FM ye free susi a na fe ya bafie efie ni fie na wote yenka wa asase 99.5 FM asase pa 107.3 and Madika Katro said we are not in a banana republic. Tell the president. Ghana no anya banana republic o tom. Me wajidi says Ghana for him say na be kwa ka probably o man toma nisi. Me wajidi say Ghana for him say na no man be ye sumu be mene ya ka probably o man toma nisi. So the fine gentleman, John Dramani Mahama, a Ghana for any GDO wo mu ato abama no papay stamp authority. Etai. And Parliamentary no say yadokra, sir, wo bia ne yira fafro sabe in previous. Mu nipa ba kokra ntimi. Yes CID for nkwa more than 20. Ya metiti yes no kra. Ada wakum nipa. Wachutu abanzo. False publication. Some watro bibia enya no kra, waka bibia enya no kra, eno no Rambo star de kwachi nipa no. Boko se, boko, ejada boko. Mampai John Dramani Mahama ni fie wo boko, ebole mamboy, ya ma police for ko guide fie ho. Enti means masa armed sa and I before no one koboko and masum dear maboko ni paba ko pe na we adenta chrome dia samoa ye koche adenta kumi for Christ's sake yeah akrake to adenta kumi manyini chano akwakuma me kra me Bonohene me kwa metima koche no me Bonohene metimi akoche no na ye krete from the phone so or a known person one nipa sabi impreduasa ye pa na ye hu no once amatimi identify ni fie atimi akobo ne punum de that means that more information more number nyina friend nipa no invite nipa no because according to the lawyer Clement Opoku Jamfi Kwame Poku CID incoming youth organizer was say state commando was say ya man warranty bia o man fa warranty bia nkofi ho o man tell say yes MFA when yes MFA and ya man invitation bia o shoot you down ya invite no no ka say wonko enti ye free ya free and I divert attention every normal bi ho a tactics ya di divert attention every normal bi ho ana hey ya di every ho sa no man e wo ho no sa no man e wo ho de nim ni say Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa foreign affairs minister was say NDC ababa na appointee bi mampanyin na be de kire extra flight e de kwa bruchire a wo be resign mama no resign 7.3 asase pono no because the enemy say Jana no poku what the Vestajet VJT 836 L3 UK eba Ghana check samia matrasi amaye 1 hour bia no sa jet no etua don hiri ba ko 1 hour $11,000 Ufri Ghana ko UK ufri UK eba Ghana ye to kwan ye nyem krase for ebe take you 6 hours 22 minutes 107.3 and to walk about approximately 13 hours multiplied by say $11,000 no and you say ukaboma me man say wu boame $143 all the back Ghana cities are close to 20 billion. That is what they are talking about. Then the beti bibia asase pa minyamumpo asase pono no Magana for more to look at Kraniko on 057.
To Okudzeto Ablakwa Kwasea ya o sa kwotena o say John Mahama ba na say John Mahama na afro private jet ana Jena na afro private jet ana minister be fro private jet or be resign and so information amenya on weekends you say Jena na wabagana or bonu kwanda private jet luxury or the private jet taxpayers money on so Daniel Kufuado and on so blow cash on TJ na abro pozo abro abone the only Ghana ebe kono no yantu abama na otna commercial yatu abama na we yale amoba NDC for mo afiafin Kwasea for mo se mu beduru a se ko kinofo ya te kosa ne yade wa broche okoyi ne twono mo betwam munye bi Jena na yari na me expect say mo the doctors ni mfidie papa be free brochi abegu Ghana ho ya hwe no Ghana ho na ne wotona obi so yale a ko hospital ase mfidie na aye de ahwe no so da bi magimi the same Akufuado jimi na mo jimi no say mo de private jet afoma amene de ne ko abrochi akosa no ho yade now say the private jet asaba Ghana what is the difference between Akufuado the private jet afasisi and pardon and say we want to claim or play the same at the government and timunya jimi no this is very early age of my buying and my bano and timuma when you first and last mo be start as a high private jet de nkofu akwa brochire code of conduct at your mama de buy or say the minister be any fro even first class or be for business class any economy and after ban saying I said the charter private jet if ban saying I charter luxury private jet enti samusum be jimia na be yet say mo ebe kakra na mo so ma yet say before na mo nya akono bio obi antimi defend mo enti sa private jet sika no mo first millions of dollars you know say mo bo ka $20 million e ka mo first see ultramodern hospital ni bi wo Ghana ho next time wo yale a eno an say wo nante anu akoda ho na wo ma me enu aduane frifie bra wo yire enu aduane frifie bra wo busuamfo ba be sra wo dan say mo di Jimmy waste your taxpayers money e de koma kwasi broni ko high in private jet na say sika no betimi abie adwuma ma youth no matter millions upon millions of dollars. Eddie onipa ba ko pesi private jet im de ne ko abrochie because of enrolled papa ni bi ni Ghana mo de be sane ade mo mo bodam ti ade na mo fa nro ni bi ma Ghana ni sane ade wo Ghana ho won na me catch us everywhere minute bi ama sinam because abruwa yi o mo simu ne be do abrochie pra ayi hotel out every day bi Ghana boka $10,000. Nyansa was that you me wan the information abrem NDC for na be catch me hotel am me dey san yale no $10,000 a day. Steven Yamen say 3 days light off non-stop. That money can face doom. So I know na make sure mo no so cost Jimmy to say Akufuado mo a ebe kakra na mo party ni nya akono na ebe adan ti say MPP for na o e see ya the man dollar ni adwane no because million popo twa we a wo tam ne amakwasi broni no wo so a o man ni sika de akọ anti se man sua nyansa manage no ma ya ebeba drum na ai ato forcing, he's really forcing. He's very, very intelligent than Kenofuatane, Baumia Bam. But Mukosu says he can never do maybe no to me save economy nibio. And that money, Brony on any panche bibini, and a man of Perianumle. Difference at bibini, any Brony and say bibinino, only determination, only I can do spirit where Jimmy. If you have this money, I'm the Jana and other call Brucheno. A machine bien wa entime enfan kram free abrochire ma megu Ghana on twitino and he said Ghana hospital no doctors in any training mo form megu abrochire no mo training how to operate this machine, how to say dialysis machine e bi ni wa no kukuru dia begu no na sika na dey high private jet no betimi dia fa machines na ba na say bubroni bi na behind no na bi amema ni sika 1 hour bi amutua bi $1,000 kra and $500 per hour no be ba betran Ghana doctors and nurses how to operate the machine. It makes sense than said there be no na ba kofo yare ni atam o man ni nyina sika dia high private jet na be sia bruche because yale dia wo ye den a e woni pa widiem ntu ye den je na yare na ichina mahama yere be yare adia chia menka say obi kokuna na obi be part of human being life enti say ye dia kire say obi yare bia e be high private jet ye be mu wie na economy na crash because mu diska nyina be so akoma broni so mu be wie na economy na sa crash because mu be so sika nyina de akoma kwasi broni no enti we should find a way ye betimi aye hospital system ni ye na yanso obi yare ya hwe no we krum.
Rewa yɛn fama me e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Media.